Gargle with this solution the first thing in the morning to treat a painful sore throat. A sore throat is a painfully dry or scratchy feeling in the throat. It may hurt more when you swallow or talk. Your throat or tonsils might also look red. Sometimes white patches are around a pus will form on the tonsils. These white patches are more common in strep throat than in a sore throat caused by a virus. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you that home remedy for sore throat and dry cough yelling without antibiotics. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. So to make this remedy, the first ingredient you will need is salt. Salt water is a surefire to soothing. Salt actually does provide symptomatic relief and it has preventative benefits too. Salt functions as a magnet. It's good for symptomatic relief. Salt pulls the mucus out of yellow swollen inflamed tissues and help relieve the discomfort. So just add 1 tablespoon of salt into 1 glass of water. So the next ingredient you will need is turmeric. Turmeric is composed for 3 key compounds, namely curcumin, which are collectively termed as curcuminoids. Apart from that, the root also has several essential oils that impart it its healing properties. Turmeric works against a sore throat by inhibiting inflammation and provide relief symptoms like burning, itching, pain and swelling within the throat. So just add 1 pinch of turmeric to it. The last ingredient you will need is apple cider vinegar. There are many ACV remedies promoted as sore throat relievers. Research has found ACV to have antibacterial properties, so it may help with sore throats caused by bacterial infection. However, bacterial infection usually requires antibiotics. Viruses causes more sore throats, not bacteria. Antibiotics can't treat viral infection. So just add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to it. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Gargle with this solution the first thing in the morning. You can gargle with this solution twice daily, such as once in the morning and again in the evening, for at least 2 to 4 days to successfully treat the sore throat. Here are some preventions for sore throat. Get plenty of sleep. Rest your voice too. Fluids keep the throat moist and prevent dehydration. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, which can dehydrate you. If this video helped you, so to give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.